How to catapult your search engine rankings with Neil Patel's free Ubersuggest tool. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. So if you are a serious entrepreneur, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. So in today's video, I'm showing you how you can boost your search engine rankings for your website. Search engine optimization is really important if you have a product or service that you want to be found when your potential customers are typing in a search query that is related to your website, your products, or your service. It could be a great way for you to drive free traffic back to your website on a consistent basis and convert your visitors into leads and sales. And one great way to do that is utilizing a free tool called Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. Now, I'm actually on the Ubersuggest tool now, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. It's absolutely free. Make sure you go and check it out. And you can enter in either a keyword or a domain name. So your domain name is your website, and it can analyze your website for you. Another thing to note is it analyzes how well your website is currently performing as per country you select. So if you select the United States, it will give you relevant information as per the United States, but you might be a local business, maybe you're in the United Kingdom or in Italy or wherever you are. You want to select the region specifically that is most relevant to you. Maybe there's more than one region that's relevant to you. You could do this one at a time. So I'm going to choose United Kingdom because that is where I'm from. And I'm going to type in boohoo.com just as an example. That's an example website that I'll use for this video. And I'm going to click search. So this will give me an overview of how the website is currently performing. You can see how many organic keywords. So this is the number of keywords this domain is ranking for at the moment. You can see the organic monthly traffic. So the I tells you what it's all about. So this is the total estimated traffic that this domain gets considering organic keywords. You can see the domain score as well. So this is based on a score between 1 and 100. And you can also see how many backlinks this website has come into it and how many of those backlinks are no follow links. Now, no follow links are basically when someone is linking to your website, but it's telling the search engines not to follow that link. So Neil Patel's Ubersuggest tool will tell you how many of those links are no follow links, which is quite cool as well. And it will also give you a graph of your traffic and whether or not your traffic has increased or decreased. So if you've noticed that your traffic has started to decrease, then this tool can probably help you to identify the reasons why and the months of which it happens. So you can kind of try to pinpoint what happened during that period. Or if you're seeing a steady growth, then maybe your search engine optimization strategy is really starting to pay off. You can also see your top pages by country. So this is really important as well. Rather than you guessing what pages are bringing you in the most traffic, you can see that here. You can see that the page on your website that is generating you the most visits and also the page that's getting you the most backlinks. So if you can really understand what page on your website is currently driving you backlinks, then you might want to create similar content, and that can help drive even more backlinks to your website and help you to increase your domain score. So another thing you might want to know is the SEO keywords. So these are the top keywords by country. So these are the top keywords that you're currently being found for, and it gives you the search volume, it gives you the position, and it gives you the estimated traffic. So for example, you might see one of your top keywords and maybe you're not in position 1 for that keyword, but it's still driving you in a lot of traffic. You might want to create more content on that keyword so you can try to rank number 1, or at least try and rank higher than you currently are, because you know it's a keyword that's actually driving results for your website. So you might want to create similar content and try and up where your positioning is for that particular keyword. So this is a great way to kind of just give you an overview of how your website is currently performing and some of the things that you might want to keep in mind. You can also generate content ideas. So let's have a look at that. So it will give you different content ideas that you can utilize that are currently being successful. You can see how many backlinks these different content ideas have. So for example, this particular article has got quite a lot of backlinks in comparison to some of the others. So I might want to click on this and take a deeper look into what type of content this particular website is talking about, what the subject is. And this might give me ideas of content that I might want to create for my website, and maybe I can generate similar results as it pertains to backlinks and traffic back to my site. So this is an easy way to analyze and see what's working and see if you can identify ways in which you can adopt that to your website as well. You can also generate keyword ideas too, and you can do this by typing in your website up here, or by typing in a keyword. So I'm going to type in a website and click on the search button. And this will generate for me suggested keywords that I could potentially use as a keyword strategy. Maybe I want to rank for some of these keywords, and you can export these keywords as well, or copy them to a clipboard. So as you can see, this is a really useful tool. It's absolutely free for you to use as well, and I highly recommend that you use it. You can also have a look at your site audit as well down here by typing in your website. And this will give you an overall site audit of how well your site is performing. It will also give you your site load times as well, which is really important for search engine optimization, how quickly your website loads, not just on a desktop device, but also on a mobile device as well. And it will give you your top SEO issues, and you can actually see what those issues are down here, and you can try and resolve those issues. And then in the backlinks section, this will give you a deeper dive and analysis of the backlinks that are coming to your website. So you can see the source page and the title. You can see the domain score of the site that is actually linking to you. And you can also see the anchor text that they've used to link to you as well. You can see when this backlink was first seen and last seen. And you can actually resolve any broken link issues as well. You can see what links are follow links. You can see what links are no follow links, and really kind of analyze where your backlinks are coming from, which ones are strong. Maybe there's some links that I'll have broken as well, and you can determine that within this tool. And I highly recommend, if you're using this tool to analyze your website, also analyze some of your main competitors as well. See where they're getting their traffic from, what keywords are driving them results, what their top pages are, see where they're getting their backlinks from. And this might also give you ideas for your website. So in a nutshell, I highly recommend the Ubersuggest tool. It's a really great tool. Again, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Plug your website in, plug some of your main keywords in, and see if you can really start transforming the search engine optimization for your website. But I really hope this video brought you some value. I have the formula which is behind me. This is the formula to generating leads and sales online. Make sure you go and grab your copy. It's absolutely free. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below, and it should also be somewhere on this screen as well. So make sure you click through and get your free copy. But I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download the formula, and I will see you soon.